is September 8th, so it's been a week. So let's try the fit test again. It's a little smoother. I don't know, not really. Holy cow. Let's try. Let's see this. What do you guys think? Huh? Did I lose some weight? Hello and welcome to Random Things. This is Ty, and it's been a week since I've started riding for the Great Cycle Challenge of 2023. So again, my goal was to ride 1,000 miles for the actual fundraiser, but personally, I was trying to also use this opportunity to lose a little weight. And so unfortunately, I've only been able to get in 4 rides since the beginning of September. And that's because, it's a little hard to get started, and there was Labor Day. And what's a good Labor Day without a good barbecue? So of course I had to smoke a brisket and indulge a little bit. The other thing that's kind of hard is I realized that on my route, there's actually a Dairy Queen. And it takes a lot of discipline to not stop at the Dairy Queen and get yourself a blizzard after you've been riding 30 miles. And so that's also a challenge. But with that, I think I've made a little progress. It was a little easier, not a lot easier, a little easier to slip into this jersey. As you may have seen in the first video, I had quite a bit of a hard time. And so at the first weigh-in, right, we weighed in, or I weighed in at 215 pounds. And so now let's do a weigh-in and see, after 121 miles, what's the weight loss. By the way, just so you know, I am kind of cutting back on processed sugar, so I'm trying to avoid donuts, cookies, dessert kind of food as part of a diet to kind of help, with this weight loss challenge. And so with that, let's check out the weigh-in. All right, here we go. $210. I think the camera adds a little weight. Well, that cheat and lighten scale said that I went down to 210 from 215, which is about 5 pounds. It's actually not too bad considering I only rode 121 miles this first week. Now, normally you do want to only lose about half a pound to a pound a week because that's a more sustainable weight loss. That means that you make certain lifestyle changes and your body weight is coming down because of those lifestyle changes that you made. But since I am riding quite a bit and I'm actually putting in effort, even though it's a pedal assist bike, I'm trying to use the actual motor sparingly, right? And then hopefully I'm actually burning fat and not just losing water. I still got a long ways to go. I still have about 880 miles to go. And again, my fundraising goal is actually 2,500, and that's the more important part for the overall goal of the Cancer Awareness Month. But on the personal side, I still got 15 more pounds to lose, and that will help me health-wise. It will help me with my blood sugar, my blood pressure, my cholesterol, and all that will hopefully help with preventing cancer. So with that, I hope you found the video entertaining. If you did, please hit the like and share button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. That will really help me out. And I will see you in week 2 to see the progress of this weight loss challenge.